Hey there folks, here with another video for you. This one is about how to more affordably and conveniently filter your water directly out of your faucet. I have a product here. I bought this in the Philippines from Japan Home, but you can also get it on Amazon, and I'll put a link in the description. All we're going to do is we're going to take off the tip of the faucet and install this one. And I'm just going to show you how similar the water flow is. So this is with the regular faucet. Nice and simple. All we're going to do is we're going to take our wrench here and take off our faucet. Just the tip there. Set it aside. And we're just going to take the box, open it up, and there's a little adapter just in case you have a different type of faucet, but we don't need that. We're just going to use this piece, and it just threads in. And you don't need the wrench for this because you'll end up breaking it. And it's all good to go. And here's the flow with the new faucet piece on. Just going to tighten it up a bit. And there we go. And you now have filtered water directly out of your faucet, and no more Brita jug. You can put it in your bathroom, and this is in my laundry sink, so if I'm in the basement and I don't want to go upstairs, I can just take a drink right from it. Alright, thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe.